Applying image stabilization and rolling shutter reduction. The warp stabilizer effect can remove jitter caused by camera movement. The effect on planes. The result is achieved by zooming into the image by just enough to automatically animate the clip position within the frame to compensate for unwanted camera movement. Let's explore the effect. Open the sequence 09 Warp Stabilizer. Play the first clip in the sequence to see the wobbly shot. In the Effects panel, locate the Warp Stabilizer effect and apply it to the shot. As Premiere Pro analyzes the clip, a banner across the footage lets you know you will need to wait before working with the effect. The Effect Controls panel also displays a detailed progress indicator. The analysis takes place in the background so you can carry on working while waiting for it to complete. Once the analysis has completed, you can adjust settings in the Effect Controls panel to improve results by choosing options that better suit the shot. Play the clip. The impact is pretty dramatic. Play the second clip in the sequence to review it. This shot should be static, but it's handheld, so there is a little movement. Apply the Warp Stabilizer effect to this clip. Choose No Motion from the Warp Stabilizer result menu.